Alright, welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet is going to teach you how to clean your dishwasher filter. So what we'll need for this is some kind of sponge, some degreasing soap or something. We also need either put it in a sink, or you could probably use something like a big bowl or something. Fill that with pretty hot water. Also optional, you can use some gloves. I'm not going to do it right now, but it's there. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is turn off the machine here. I'm going to open it up. I have this small one, but it's going to be the same whether it's a large one or a tiny little thing like this one. So either way, make sure you don't have any dishes in here. And from here we're going to take out this rack. This is only one floor of racks, but if you have two, just remove the bottom one. And you should be able to get your hands in there. So as you can see inside here, this is the blade, and this one we're not going to touch. We are actually only going to use clean the filter here. So as you can see, there is some dirt already gathering around on it. So how I remove it is just to screw it off, this one, and we can lift it up. And you can see it's not so bad actually. It's been a couple of months, and yeah. So we may need to clean this one a little bit afterward as well. We're also going to do some cleaning on the actual dishwasher here afterwards, just because we're already started. So I'm going to fill this up here with some lukewarm water, and I'll get back to you in a second. And I forgot to mention, also going to add some soap here. This is like dishwasher soap. If you have anything else, like I have this degreaser as well, that would work great. If you're going to use something strong though, make sure that you put on gloves. Alright, so the next step, now that we've filled up the sink here, is that we're going to use a little scrub here, and I'm going to scrub pretty much all over the areas here where there is any dirt, and rinse it off. Also going to clean it off down here quickly. As you can see, there are some little food stuff here. Doing this is pretty easy. You just need to go ahead and scrub until you get it all off. Make sure you don't put too hot water in here so that you can work easily. For some older dishwashers, may get away with not doing this. As they kind of have like what's it called, like, you know, these old the churns that churns up the food in the bottom. They may have that, but if you have one of those that churns up the food instead of just filtering it out manually, you will know it because it will be a lot louder than your regular dishwasher. Since this wasn't so bad, I'm just going to scrub it here, make sure I get off all the dirt and grease off this thing. I think they're actually happy with this. As you can see, this was quick and easy. And now we're going to go ahead and clean a little bit around the dishwasher as well, since we're already doing this. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use the sponge here, since I already have it there. Let me just get you guys down here. Zoop. I got you on a tripod, so you're pretty easy to move today. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this area as well a little bit, and the reason why is that I can see that some food have gathered around here, down around the filter. There is also some rest from the soap that has gathered around here. So I'm just going to scrub this off, get rid of it all. Other areas we may want to make sure that's clean is especially around the blade. As you can see, the water squirts out from here, so make sure that this one is clean and nice. Go over quickly underneath as well. Well, already at it here. The back looks fine. Everything else around here. So the next part is around the edges here. I don't know what the English word for this is. It's like the either way around here. You pretty much need to scrub around here because this is an area where there often builds up a lot of grease and dirt. So make sure you get this one properly all the way down to the floor. The worst part seems to be, let me just get you on the phone here, down here towards the edges, and I guess also up here against the edges. We're also going to do the area around here. This isn't as dirty, but as you can see, there is some dirt that often gets around here as well. And we are ready to install back the filter here. So as you can see, now it's clean and nice. So all we're going to do here is that we're going to put it on the same way as we found it. Make sure the blade isn't in the way here, and screw it back on. Do this about every month or so. You don't need to do it that often really. You can see it kind of build up dirt, but you want to do this to keep it clean. I'm going to write an article here. If you want to buy any of the needed products for this, you can click it down in the description of the video. And yeah, I'll see you for the next home tutorial.